Wonderful to see you all. Thank you for coming. Imagine you're in the dental chair, light in your eyes, sharp instruments coming at your face. And if we feel vulnerable, imagine how scary it can be for people who've endured trauma. Trauma is an experience of extreme stress that comes in many forms, all shocks that are out of our control and disempowering. Crimes, accidents, natural disasters. The effects are carried in our bodies and our memories. 75% of Australians will experience a traumatic event, and PTSD is the second most common mental health condition after depression. Meet Mel. Sexually abused as a child, she hasn't seen a dentist in 30 years. She hides her mouth, feeling shame and guilt about its terrible state. Dentists have told her off, and Mel felt judged and hopeless as a result. When she's lowered back in the chair, Mel has flashbacks and panics. When her mouth is full of fingers and instruments, she gags and feels trapped with no voice. As dentists working for decades to reduce inequities in oral health, our solution is a social enterprise trauma-informed dental service. The trauma-informed approach is the gold standard of care for working with trauma survivors, but it hasn't yet been adopted in the dental space. So we'll train dental professionals and staff. Then we'll build a dental clinic that includes a mobile service, and we'll continue research throughout the process. In our service, Mel feels heard, understood, and fully accepted with no judgment. This allows her to feel safe and trust her dentists. She knows that everything that happens will be her choice, in her control. She's eating and sleeping with no pain, and she's about to go on a date. Her dental experience has been life-changing. This is such inspiring work. It also lowers stress and burnout for dentists. It improves workplace culture, and it keeps staff and patients in the practice long term. Money is saved through early intervention, prevention of disease, better mental health, and increased economic participation of trauma survivors. We're looking for help with our website, business advice for our social enterprise, an accounting partner, and funding opportunities. Thank you, and please come and talk to us after the show.